How do I access my ADP W-2 online?
Welcome to this guide. Today, we're discussing how to access your W-2 form online via ADP. ADP is a convenient and secure platform for managing your payroll data, which includes your W-2 forms. So, if you're unsure about how to navigate this process, don't worry, we've got you covered.
What is a W-2 and why do you need it?
A W-2 is an essential tax form that states your annual earnings and what you've paid in taxes throughout the year. You'll need this document to file your federal and state taxes correctly.
What do you need to access your W-2 online?
Before you begin, make sure you have the following details. 1. Your ADP account credentials, username and password. 2. Your employer code. You can get this from your employer if you don't have it.
How to log into your ADP account?
Here's the step-by-step process to log into your account. 1. Open your web browser and go to the official ADP website. 2. Find and click on the Login button, usually at the top right corner of the web page. 3. Enter your user ID and password in the respective fields, then click Login. If you're a first-time user, you'll have to register first.
How to register as a new user on ADP?
To register as a new user, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Register Now link on the ADP login page. 2. Enter your registration code. Your employer should provide this. 3. Follow the step-by-step instructions to complete your registration. Remember to note down your user ID and password for future use.
How to access your W-2 form?
Once you've logged in or registered, follow these steps to access your W-2 form. 1. On the ADP dashboard, look for the Myself tab and click on it. 2. In the drop-down, find and click on Pay, followed by Annual Statements. 3. Here, you'll find your W-2 forms listed by year. That concludes our guide on how to access your ADP W-2 online. With these straightforward steps, you should be able to retrieve your W-2 form with ease. We hope this guide was helpful, and wish you all the best with your tax filings.